Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Wtoolfex Rechargeable Work Light. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. As we get this open, you'll find your instruction manual, work light, charging cable. As you can see, this opens up. It is mountable, meaning you could put this on a tripod or whatever. Multiple abilities to kind of hang, and you'll see that these are magnetic. We'll test them out in the car, but you got multiple magnet capabilities. So nothing there, nothing there. Really nice closure, carry. Over here you'll find kind of your power and your power charging. It's a USB-C charging port, and again this is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Turn it on, it's super bright. On, off. We have on with both. We have on with one, on with the other, and it does give you kind of a it comes half charged, so we're going to get it charged up and test it out outside. So sorry about the noise in the background, but just wanted to show you kind of how much it lights up an area really nicely in my basement here. All right, so now the beauty here is there's a number of ways to kind of connect this. First and foremost, we can obviously just kind of magnet it wherever we want and let it hang. We can do kind of a two-fold, hoping you can see that. Or nice little feature here is also that you can kind of just pull this out, and it is a hook, so we can also just hook it right here, or whatever direction we want to go in, obviously, and turn on the work light and adjust as needed. It's a hanging light, so it gives a lot of flexibility there. So really cool. Frankly, do all kinds of different things as far as working with that. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.